Today was supposed to be one of the most exciting days of the year in the garden for me. I was supposed to come out and harvest my first ever corn harvest. But as you can see, things may have changed. 4 days ago, this corn was nice and green and looked very healthy. And today it looks like this. We're going to go ahead and see what type of harvest we have, if any. Let's get started. When I planted this corn, I honestly wasn't sure how it would perform in a raised bed. Corn usually gets planted in large rows, but I wanted to see if I could grow corn in my second largest raised bed and still get a pretty decent harvest. Well, we're about to find out. So let's start here and pull down and see what we got. And we have nothing pretty much. Let's go to another one. Looks like we had corn, but I may have left it on the plant too long and it's now dried out. Nothing there. Let's go over on the other side. So here is the corn that we harvested. And as you can tell, this did not go as planned. If the corn, from looking at it, it looks like a large majority of it was not pollinated. And it is dry, very, very, very dry. If this would have been pollinated and conditions had been well, it looks like I would have had a pretty decent harvest of corn. Now, those of you that grow corn in containers and raised bed, help me out. What am I doing wrong? I probably should have added much, much more nitrogen than what I was given, even though I thought I was given a lot. Let me know in the comments section below what you guys do to have a pretty successful harvest. I'm not going to give up. We're going to continue to plant corn until we get it right. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we got a very disappointing corn harvest. However, there is no such thing as a failure. It is a learning experience when it comes to gardening, and for that matter, life. So we're going to keep pushing through until we get it right. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. As I've mentioned before, what can I do better in the future? I'm open to any and all suggestions. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. On this channel, we grow lots of food for the homestead. Sometimes we do real good, and then sometimes not so good, just as this one. But we have fun and we learn along the way. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. I'll see you in the next one.